no giant chasing. I punk nobody feel a late thing. I beat up your gum, chat TT 365. Gunshot a big skin. Right now, way not the afterlife, you'll find out. Know the badness inside out. Here from sin, think for crime out. Yeah, shoot we kill, dog, we shoot we kill. No lily boy can't tell man fi bill now. Quick fi buff ya, show you we skill can. I saw you kill a them one. We no fear man, shell down your hands. Any guy ya try ya grab the last cement. And we no in a no long argument, cause I saw you kill a them one. Kill it last, get money and make your mark. Some of my dog graduate, wish them never pass. Did no 5 hour forward, we get tip off. Left this so long time, just make a chat. Boy dead by quick o'clock. A bad man thing, full of dopey, full of bad, that. Multi-cal bus, thunderclap. Dogs them have his strap, believe it. Shoot we kill, dog, we shoot we kill. No lily boy can't tell man fi bill now. Quick fi buff ya, show you we skill can. I saw you kill a them one. We no fear man, shell down your hands. Any guy ya try ya grab the last cement. And we no in a no long argument, cause I saw you kill a them one. Not one friend, just soldiers. They me and gone up to know me no of us. Lately me and my gun get closer. Pray not do nothing, look over my own shoulder. We steep like crime, I'm a bulletproof. I don't care, level shoot up through the roof. Dogs behind the wheel when me attack. One come out of the lock, there should have parallel pack. When I'm your food, I wouldn't even need a fact. Pop the champagne, watch you fly off with a car. The formation change up from our start. Still have thugs round me with a lighter with a touch. No get to rat a bumbo clot. Shoot we kill, dog, we shoot we kill. No lily boy can't tell man fi bill now. Quick fi buff ya, show you we skill can. I saw you kill a them one. We no fear man, shell down your hands. Any guy ya try ya grab the last cement. And we no in a no long argument, cause I saw you kill a them one. Run off for turf our premises. But my shot in your forehead, our war deadlist. Kill them out like some terrorists. Funeral keep over this, we have enemies. Turn up a place and a cause be a traffic. And we have the Lord, they in our top pocket. Broke it some more, tell them kill him with a pipe. I found a boy and I go come get nine. Watch out, y'all with a gun round, but not take no shot by accident, then tell me sorry. I draw a gun for frighten and I race so none get your coat put on a shirt, dog is real life it thing I with. Shoot we kill, dog, we shoot we kill. No lily boy can't tell man fi bill now. Quick fi buff ya, show you we skill can. I saw you kill a them one. We no fear man, shell down your hands. Any guy ya try ya grab the last cement. And we no in a no long argument, cause I saw you kill a them one.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
You know, a rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you have an epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.